Hello, friends. I know a lot of you know, but some of you may not know, that my favorite animal is a penguin. And for my birthday, a few years ago, Josh got me this story called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and it's one of my favorites. So let's read it together. It says, Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared. So be nice. You're going to say, boo, on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, does he look scared? A little bit. Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. This time, shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. What happened? He told us not to feed him chili, and then he ate spicy tacos. Think you'll have hiccups again? Maybe they'll write a different story where they eat tacos and we have to scare them. I don't know. Do you like spicy food? I like spicy food, and tacos are my favorite. What's your favorite? Well, I hope you have a good day or evening, whatever time you're watching this video, and I hope that I will get to see you soon. Bye!